My diploma project was an opportunity for me to combine my passion for motorbikes with my practice as a designer. My project is based on my research paper, Arsouille, Sporty Driving of the Motorcyclists on the Road. To this work, I developed several notions that could be associated with this practice, taking into consideration the evolutions in American and European society since the 50s. Although speed is an important notion in this development of the project, it is also interested in the anthropology of the biker, his motivations, his perception of risk, his choice of freedom. It is also interesting in his identity, graphic, clothing, and more, which is an essential element that inscribes him with the marginalized community. Through this project, I position myself as a mediator between this community and the others. Through the transcription of testimonies, the conception of photographic reports or books that inform about the technical aspect of the practice, the spectator becomes aware and emphatic toward men and women transcended by the motorbike and all the risks it represents. My project aims to be informative, immersive, and sensory. It values a culture rich in codification, but also practice that favors technological development. Moreover, many of the pieces in the project are inspired by materials typical of the motorbike world. These materials are the mean to have a more sensitive approach and to question the practice on its anthropological dimension. For example, on the way the biker can be perceived as a bionic being, mixing his flesh with leather, metal, and carbon. But also on its ecological dimension, where all the components have an impact on man and his environment.